Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am your host, Pixelated Turtle, and this video is going to be a continuation of my previous one where I showed in time-lapse how to model a cute droid character. This time around, we will be focusing our efforts on texturing the model. Normally I tend to build up all the materials that I use from scratch, but as this is aimed towards beginner, I tried to use only default smart materials and modified the parameters wherever needed. Down the line, I do plan on making a texturing series for absolute beginners, which will be done in real time, but that's still on the drawing board, so let's see how that goes. For the time being, enjoy the video. And that's pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for newer contents and for supporting me. If you have any comments or confusions, feel free to leave them below as well. I will try to respond to all of them. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.